Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix an in post verification code not received. First, check your mobile network signal and make sure that it is strong. Poor signal can prevent the code from arriving. Next, make sure that your phone number is entered correctly in the app. Then head over to your Gmail app and click on the three-line option in the top right left corner. Scroll down, check your spam or your trash folder if the code was sent by email. Then restart your phone and request the code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. If the code still does not arrive, wait a few minutes to request a new one or contact AN Post support for help. That's how you fix the AN Post verification code not received error. Subscribe for more simple guides.